there, crypto enthusiasts! I'm Sofia, and welcome back to Learn Crypto's Extra Learning video series, where we break down complex topics for beginners. Today, we're diving into the world of multi-crypto wallets and asking, why doesn't everybody just use multi-crypto wallets? Stick around because we've got some visual cues and detailed explanations coming your way. First things first, what is a multi-crypto wallet? Well, it's like a digital wallet, but instead of holding just one type of cryptocurrency, it can store multiple cryptocurrencies. Imagine it as your all-in-one crypto safe. So why should you consider using a multi-crypto wallet? Well, the first and most significant advantage is diversity. With a multi-crypto wallet, you can store various cryptocurrencies in one place. This means you don't need separate wallets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins. It's like having all your favorite flavors of ice cream in one cone. Convenient, right? But hold on, there are some drawbacks to consider. We need to balance the scale with pros and cons cons actually weigh slightly more. Firstly, the complexity factor. Managing multiple cryptocurrencies in one wallet can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. It's like juggling multiple balls at once. Drop one, and you might lose it all. Secondly, not all cryptocurrencies are supported by every multi-crypto wallet. So you might need to switch wallets or use multiple wallets if you hold some lesser-known coins. Now, let's talk about choosing the right multi-crypto wallet. When selecting a wallet, consider factors like security, the range of supported cryptocurrencies, and how user-friendly it is. Always do your research. Overall, multi-crypto wallets offer diversity and enhanced security, making them an attractive option for many crypto enthusiasts. However, they come with some complexity and limitations. So why doesn't everybody just use multi-crypto wallets? Well, it depends on your needs and preferences. Some people prefer specialized wallets for specific coins, while others opt for the convenience of an all-in-one solution. What do you think? Are you using a multi-crypto wallet? Let us know and tell us why in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights and beginner-friendly explanations. Thanks for joining us today at the Learn Crypto Extra Learning video series. We hope this video sheds some light on multi-crypto wallets for you. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and stay crypto savvy. And of course, head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide course to learn more.